In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to change the color of an image. In this example, we are using the word hello. If I click on it, notice that it says edit image. This is the image. So here's how to do it. First, click on the image. Then click on edit image. Under effects, click on dual tone. And you can select any of the examples here to get started. I'm going to click on the one that says blush. And over here, I have two options. I can adjust the highlights or the shadows. And then click on the circle here to change the color. I'm going to pick a random color here. And if I want to change the other one, the shadow as well, I'm going to copy and paste the color code. Then click on shadows. Paste it here. Voila, now I've changed the color of the image.